Kaya ba? Okay, drill natin. Pag sinasabi nating pagbabagong morphoponimo ko, ano yon? Map na may tatlong P. Pag sinasabi nating pagpapalit posisyon, metathesis. Pag sinasabi nating pan-pam, assimilasyon. Pag sinasabi kong ligo-liguan, paglilipat diin. Pag sinasabi kong sarahan-sarhan, pagkakaltas. Pag sinasabi ko namang madudong-marunong, pagpapalit ng ponema. Pag sinasabi ko namang ponemang suprasegmental, hatdan. Ha for haba, T for tono, D for diin, An for antala. Pag sinasabi ko ng perfect base pairs, at GC, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Pag sinasabi ko namang military governor general during the American, MOA, Merit, Otis, Arthur, MacArthur, powers of the state, PET, police, imminent, and taxation. Charge of burden, taxation, imminent, public use, general welfare, police power. Pag sinasabi naman natin migration theory by Otley Beyer, AIM, ITAS, Indonesia, and Malay. Pag sinasabi kong expeditions, Malocasavipi, Archipelago of St. Lazarus, Magellan, Las Islas Pilipinas, Villalobos, the first Governor General, Lee Gaspi. Malinaw yon? Yes, pag sinasabi natin layers of the atmosphere, that's Trosmite. Pag sinasabi ko namang micromolecules, A, B, C, D, E, K. Pag sinasabi kong eyes, A. Pag sinasabi kong brain, brain. Vitamin B. What are the parts of the brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem. Okay? Ano? Cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. Pag sinasabi nating cerebrum, marami siyang parte. Okay? We have the frontal lobe, thinking. We have the temporal lobe, hearing. We have the parietal lobe, touches and sensations, soft, hard, etc., rough, etc. Dito naman po, occipital lobe, eyes. Ulitin natin, frontal, thinking, hearing, temporal, parietal, touches and sensations, occipital, eyes. Ano naman po yung cerebellum? That is for your balance and coordination. Okay? Brainstem. Ano naman yon? Breathing, your temperature, your heartbeat. Okay? That's it. No? Those are the parts of the... What is the largest part of the brain then? Cerebrum. Malinaw yon? Yes. Pag sinasabi naman nating factors in production, cell, capital, entrepreneurship, land, and labor. Pag sinasabi nating money, capital. Pag skills, entrepreneur. Pag natural resources, land. Pag human skills, human labor. Human trabaho, labor. Okay? Governments of the Americans, MCC, military, civil, and commonwealth. Pag sinasabi nating ages of the earth, Prepamse, Precambrian, Paleolithic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Okay? That's pre-PAMSE. Pag sinasabi nating hydrophobic, fats. Hydrophilic, that's carbohydrates and proteins. Anong mnemonics? CPLFB. Pag sinasabi natin how are embryos being formed? Gaphysaceae. How are organisms are being formed? Sagutin nyo ako ng mnemonics. Cetos. What about for levels of organization? PSEB. Pag sinasabi natin unicellular and eukaryotes, that's poem. Pag sinasabi natin paradox and oxymoron, TOPS. Pag sinasabi nating metonymy and synecdoche, spam. Okay? Pag sinasabi nating external and internal criticism, EFIC. Pag sinasabi nating bone to bone, muscle to tendon, LBMT. Pag sinasabi kong yung jowa mo, bading. BF mo, bading. Pag sinasabi nating ships of Magellan, TSVSC. Pag sinasabi nating what claims the West Philippine Sea, TVMCB. Okay? TVMCB. Pag sinasabi naman nating inorganic and organic, WinCore. Pag sinasabi naman nating arena, theater, matters. Pag sinasabi naman nating octosyllabic, dodsyllabic, okidaf. Pag sinasabi nating karaniwang ayos, di karaniwang ayos, kappa di. Pag sinasabi nating scientific method, if tough, Pag sinasabi naman nating ages of the earth, preeclampsia, pag sinasabi nating mitosis, promat, pag sinasabi naman nating inorganic-organic, WinCore, pag sinasabi naman nating cycles of water. Meron palang ganun, sir. Isipers, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, runoff, substance flow. Isipers. Okay? Pag ayos ba? Ayan, pag sinasabi nating macromolecules, CPLN. Pag sinasabi nating most abundant part of your, most abundant element on your human body, chon. Okay? Chon. Pag sinasabi nating magkadugo sa tani. Nangilak ng uban. Ayan. Ayos lang yan. No? Masasabayan nyo rin po. Okay? Sige, patuloy lang natin. What about for blood? Universal. Donor. O negative. Nakunan. O negative. Nadagdagan. AB positive. Okay? AB positive. What about for blood away from your heart? BVAA. Okay? Back veins away arteries. Okay? Ganun yan. Pahingi ng utak, sir. Nalisaw na akong utok. Okay lang yan, teachers. Papasa ba? Wait. Oh, papasa ba? Kaya ba? Kahit self-review lang. Pero kahit may review center ka, nanonood ka pa rin.